Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan. This is the next part of the. So here one person told that like this basically the system is connected. So here we are connecting to season data, that is the rain basically, which is going to come from France, going to come from USA, going to come from South Africa. So one person told that one day basically only America is giving the rainfall basically in Mumbai. Another day basically the France is giving. But the data basically they have sent long before. That is 1 or 2 months before only. So these all are the system basically which is created. And they basically periodically basically uses the system. And to create system basically it's very tough basically. Why? Because to create the 55 buildings basically, how many time basically it takes? So to create one rain system basically, it takes lots of time. It basically finished one generation only. Basically. So you can just understand. So here one person told that yes basically. Like this basically, things are basically connected. So exactly basically the rain system is also like the rain system basically is also like this basically connected. Here one person told that whatever it is they basically the system has used that system basically you have to use basically sometime basically. If you are basically removing the system, then basically it's going to create problem basically in future basically. Because if you have used the system basically, you always have to use sometime basically that system periodically. And periodical basically means in some period basically. That period basically you can't say basically how that period basically is calculated. But there might be something some data basically. I mean by it might be telling that basically this system basically you have used long before basically. Now basically this system only basically it requires. And we told that that time basically the system basically got successful. And currently basically that requirement of this system basically exists. So like this. So next video.